Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to connect the Bluetooth phone. Now this video should apply to latest generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. There was a facelift in 2019 and there were some changes to both interior and exterior, but this part of connecting the phone should be the same. Okay, now first thing before you start, you have to make sure that the Bluetooth is actually turned on. To do that, you want to press the settings here on the main vehicle screen, and then you want to go under the Bluetooth and turn it on if it's not turned on. And once that is done, you're ready to add a Bluetooth device or to connect the phone. You can either press add the Bluetooth device right here, or you can go under the phone tab and press the add phone, on even on a home screen you can press add phone right here, doesn't really matter, process will be the same. Press add phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And once you press this, you will have to enable the Bluetooth on your phone and find the Ford Edge under the list of the Bluetooth devices. And I will continue this video by recording the screen on my phone. Okay, to start, first enable the Bluetooth. And now you will get the list of all the paired and available devices. I have a bunch of paired devices, so I will scroll all the way down to available devices. And here you should find Ford Edge, so just press onto that.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
And now you have this passkey 782212, and that same number should appear on the vehicle screen. If it does, press pair on the phone and press yes on the vehicle screen as well. And that's it. Once you have confirmed the connection, you will successfully pair your phone. Now you can use it to make phone calls or to listen to the music. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.